The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to make a reservation for a computer lab or a demo room on campus. Now, currently in Google Calendars, only the computer labs are listed and available for reservations. However, in the near future, the demo rooms will also be listed there, and you would use this same process to reserve those rooms. To begin, make sure you are logged into Google Chrome. Your email address should appear in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Next, to access Google Calendar, click on the Google Calendar app, or if you are in another Google app, there is a black navigation bar that appears at the top of the screen. You can click on Calendar from there. Once you are in Google Calendar, you are ready to make your reservation. Click on the red Create button on the left-hand side and title your event. To title your event, please use your name and the periods that you would like to reserve the room for. I'm going to title mine Shaw periods 1, 4, and 5. And I want to make my reservation for October 1st. And I'm going to select all day. Even though I'm not in there all day, I'm not in there periods 2, 3, or 6, I'm selecting all day and just listing the periods. All teachers should do this when making reservations to avoid any confusion, especially when we have a late start schedule, a minimum day schedule, or an assembly bell schedule. By listing just the periods, it doesn't matter what our start time or end times for those periods are. We can go ahead and see which periods are available. Next, I'm ready to reserve my room, so I'm going to click on Rooms, etc. I'm going to select HHS, and the lab that I wanted was Lincoln 212, but I don't see that listed here. That tells me that another teacher has that room reserved. If I uncheck Show Only Available, I can see that that room is here, but another teacher must have it. Later in this screencast, I will show you how to check which periods are already booked. If the period that you need that lab available is not booked, you can still click Add right here. However, for now, I'm going to go ahead and just select the Washington 212 lab and make my reservation for Washington 212 and click Save. Now when I look at my calendar for October 1st, I can see that my reservation has been made. Now for those of you interested in seeing how to preview whether a lab is available, please go to Other Calendars on the left-hand side of your screen and click the down button. You're going to select Browse Interesting Calendars, More, Resources for puhsd.org, and then you can see HHS listed. Again, there are currently only 3 rooms available for reservation. In the near future, the demo rooms will be added here, and that would leave us with 5 rooms available for reservation. Click HHS, and I can see the 3 computer labs here. Now, the room that I originally wanted was Lincoln 212. I'm going to go ahead and see what teacher is in there for the day that I wanted by selecting Preview. I wanted to make my reservation for October 1st, and I can see that Coach Moreno is in there, and he's in there periods 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. If I needed the lab only period 3, I could have gone ahead and booked it for period 3 only. However, since I wanted it for periods 1, 4, and 5, I know that it's not available, and I'll leave my reservation for Washington 212 like I had already made. I can also preview the Washington schedule, October 1st, and I can see my reservation right there. Close. Back to calendar will take you back to your calendar, and that is how you would make a reservation for a computer lab or a demo room on campus. Thank you.